Hey guys, it's Anthony Bandiero here, attorney and senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you another Roadside Chat from the studio. Okay, here's a question from an officer in Texas, and the question is, can I routinely ask a bunch of criminal-related questions during a traffic stop? And the answer is, be very careful. Here's what the officer says he asks as a matter of routine during a traffic stop and gauges the driver's reactions. You ready for it? Anything you're not supposed to have in the vehicle? Any marijuana in the vehicle or on your person? Any methamphetamine in the vehicle or on your person? Any heroin in the vehicle or on your person? Any large sums of cash in the vehicle or on your person? Any stolen IDs in the vehicle or on your person? Any stolen credit cards in the vehicle or on your person? Based off of their reactions to these questions, the officer may have reasonable suspicion, or they'll often say, no, and you can search my car if you want. All right. If I was your judge, I would suppress the whole traffic stop. And here's why. When you stop somebody for a routine violation, speeding, falling too closely, fail to maintain travel lane, whatever, the mission of the traffic stop is to investigate why you stopped them. You do not get a free drug investigation, gun investigation, stolen ID investigation, credit card fraud investigation, whatever. You don't get a free investigation on top of the minor traffic violations. The courts are being very particular about this because cops have, quite frankly, abused it. And this is probably what they mean. These are drawn out, way off topic. And look, at the end of the day, what do courts think is going on here, right? What do they think is going on here? Do you think the courts know that based off of all these questions that a drug investigation and other investigations are being conducted at the same time as a traffic stop? Or does it look like just incidental questions and kind of routine questions, right? No, this looks like a straight up drug and criminal activity investigation on top of the traffic stop, evidence suppressed. Now, what kind of questions do courts allow? Travel plans, authority to drive the vehicle, asking, hey, is there any contraband in this vehicle? Is permissible in most places. Asking, hey, are there any weapons in the vehicle? Is permissible in the vast majority of places, right? Except the one place I can think of is not in Oregon. And there's another state out there too. It might be Minnesota, right? That does not allow you to ask that type of question as a matter of routine. But the vast majority of places, especially in Texas, will allow that. Any reason for the violation? Those are okay. But what we're looking for is the telltale signs that officers are running an unauthorized, unjustified, criminal investigation in something related. And that is what's going on here. So my officer who's doing this, by the way, there is a case out of the 11th Circuit on this very issue. I believe it's called U.S. versus Campbell. And if you want to know that case, just put into the comments, hey, Anthony, what's that case citation? And I'll respond and I'll put into the comments. But that's exactly, I should say, it's essentially the officer in Campbell did the exact same thing that this officer is doing in Texas, and they threw out the whole case because it was an unjustified, unreasonable investigation that was not based off of reasonable suspicion. Now, look, if you got reasonable suspicion, then you can ask more intrusive questions. All right? So play it cool and so forth. But these questions, in my opinion, need to not be asked as a matter of routine. All right? There you go. I hope I moved the ball forward even by an inch. If you like what I'm doing, do me a fave. Hit the like button. Tell YouTube, hey, YouTube, this video helps cops. Hit the subscribe button, and tell your friends about what we're doing over here. Spread the word. My mission is to train all police officers. Also, go to bluetogold.com and see what we're doing over there. We have a lot of training. I do free webinars, live webinars every single week, not just the YouTube videos. Guy, I'm doing so much for cops. I work my butt off for you guys. And if you want to show me a little love, I'd appreciate it. All right. There you go. Until next time, my friends, stay safe.
When it comes to law enforcement training, we are the gold standard. Visit bluetogold.com or call 888-579-7796 to learn more about our training, books, and free webinars. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel.